viewers, welcome and welcome back to my channel. And in this video I'll be doing my fall decor, as you can see. So please come along and enjoy decorating with me. If you're new, thanks for stopping by. So let's get on. Bye for now. I am late this year for autumn, but guess what? It's better late than never. You know, life is life, you know.
Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of a million stars. Shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are? Send a prayer if I'm out of luck. Send a little love and I'll make it back. Send me a letter and a bottle of wine, telling me I will be fine. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Halfway hard, halfway hard. Sing to me if I lose my voice. Set a better route if I lose my course. Count on my company and I will come. Save me when I am falling. Save me when I am falling. Save my love when I fall. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when
decorate this space for fall, and I'm gonna tell you where I get some stuff from. It's not a lot. I'm gonna use some of the things that I have from last year. Why not just shop in your home and use what you have as well? So I'm gonna use this, which I get from B&M for £4. I get this as well from B&M for £5. Isn't that cute? I get this one from B&M. I think this one was £5 as well. No, this one is not B&M. This one is the Range, and I think it's £5 as well. I get these from TK Maxx. They were £7. I don't know where I'm going to do with this one. I think TK Maxx as well, £7. And I had these from last year. I bought this cup. Where did I get this one from? Was it TK Maxx? Can't remember where I get it from. Hello, Arthur. Can't remember where I get it from. This pumpkin I had it from last year. And I get that one from TK Maxx. I'm gonna put these biscuits in a jar. Basically that's it. I'm just gonna decorate and let him here feel cozy. Is that the right thing for him?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and I get this pot, this little pot. The Range, I think it was £5. Is it £5? If it's not £5, it's £8. The price is not there. So I am going to decorate now and let him have the feeling of this cozy, nice autumn. It's getting cold now, so I have that feeling. I am late, but it's better late than never. So let's get on with the decoration. There's a mat that I get from when I'm decorating. You guys will see it. So let's get on.
You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, you say, and then I lose it. Yeah, I'm delusional, you say.
Guys, now I've come to the end of the video. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. And remember, sharing is caring. So have a fantastic time wherever you are. Bye.
Honestly, I shouldn't. Caught up in my feelings, messed up and I'm sprung. Something in your smile that it makes me wanna come over. Can I come over? I wanna come over. Thinking about your ocean. Swimming pool is closed and I'm in the deep end. The waves are washing over. I know I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over. When you leave me like that, girl, don't do me like that. Ooh, when I think about that, I be coming right back on. Girl, don't do me like that, no. Know you wanted some closure. You said you wanna move forward. I know we're not done. I'm thinking about
so nice.
I know I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over. When you leave me like that, girl, don't do me like that. Ooh, when I think about that, I be coming right back.
Isn't it? Very nice. I know it's for outdoor, but it just match the decor, so I'm gonna put it there. Who says you can't do that? And the bottom of it have this, so it's okay.
Just hit me up. I'm coming over. You know what's up. When you leave me like that,